Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing and launching Horizon on a Windows PC. Run it as administrator so it can access device drivers. Next, plug your Xbox 360 USB drive or external storage into the PC and allow Windows to recognize the device. Once connected, open Horizon's Device Explorer and locate the game profile and save you intend to modify. Make a full backup to a separate folder and keep file dates unchanged so you can restore if needed. Once you've backed up, extract the save from the device and decrypt it when Horizon prompts. You need plain text to edit. Then edit values like stats or inventory, altering one parameter at a time so you can test stability. Sudden big changes risk corruption. After edits, rehash and resign the save inside Horizon so the Xbox will accept it. Finally, inject the modified file back to the storage device using Device Explorer and verify the file size and timestamp look consistent. You finish by safely ejecting the storage device and testing the modified save on your Xbox 360 console to confirm changes took effect. If the save fails to load, immediately restore the original backup, then reapply a single small change and retest so you can isolate the issue. Make sure you always rehash and resign if you encounter signature or profile errors. Try resigning with an alternate profile or repeat the rehash step. This usually resolves acceptance problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.